Well, hello there, fabulous people. Welcome back to my channel. Now, we all know there are so many different ways of how to make jollof rice, but today I'm going to be showing you how I make my authentic Nigerian party jollof rice. Yes, it is absolutely delicious. So if you're ready, get your aprons on and let's get started. So first, I'm making my pepper-based blend. I'm going to be using a combination of long red peppers, tomatoes, onion, and also Scotch bonnet. I'm going to make sure to remove the seeds from the center of the long red peppers, and I'm going to cut them into small pieces and bring it to a blend. This is what we typically call a pepper-based blend for either jollof rice or stew. So just add this simply straight onto your blender and blend until it's nice and smooth. Once that's ready, we're going to set this aside for now. Now I'm going to put my pot on the stove. I'll add a little bit of cooking oil. I'm going to chop just half of a large onion, which I'm going to be using for the rice. I'll throw this straight onto the oil and I'm going to fry this until it's nice and lightly golden in color. Now I'm adding some tomato puree. I'm going to typically mix this and allow it to fry for about 5 to 6 minutes. Now I'm adding a bit of thyme and a little bit of curry powder as well, typically just about a teaspoon of each. I'm adding some bay leaves and some knorr cubes. Don't forget to add a little bit of salt to taste as well. And continue to mix and fry this for a total of about 5 to 6 minutes. And now I'm going to pour in my already blended pepper mix. Make sure to reduce your heat to the lowest possible setting, as it might be splashing a lot. Just mix everything very gently until everything is nice and well combined. At this point, I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook for about 15 minutes or so. Now, about 15 minutes later, you can see the oil is nicely separated on top, and that's perfect. I'm going to add my washed rice onto this mix. Add just a cup of water, and then I'll stir this very well to ensure that everything is nicely mixed properly. Now, once I'm satisfied that everything is mixed and combined well, I'm going to put a foil paper on top of the pot. And then I'll place the lid on and I'll just press it down and cover it. Now I've reduced my heat to the very minimum lowest setting, just to make sure it steams nice and slowly. After 15 minutes, I like to turn off the heat completely. Then I'll stir the rice properly and cover the pot again and leave it to cook in its own steam for another 15 to 20 minutes or so. After the next 20 minutes, your rice is absolutely ready and looking so delicious. Trust me when I say your neighbors will come knocking at your door and they'll be asking for a portion as well. It is absolutely delicious. Now I like to pair this rice with some grilled chicken and a little bit of salad on the side. Now you can always pair this jollof rice with whatever protein you prefer. It could be some fried or grilled fish, a steak, or even boiled eggs. The choice is yours. This jollof rice is super delicious. I hope you can try out this recipe sometime. Don't forget to press the like button, share this video with your friends and family so they know and they can watch it as well. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell as well. I'll see you again next time with another recipe. Thank you all so much for watching. Goodbye. Now, moving on to the second rice recipe. I'm gonna be showing you how I've made this absolutely delicious coriander rice. It is so packed full of flavor. My family absolutely loves it, and I'm sure you're gonna like it too. I'm also gonna be showing you how I make this absolutely juicy and delicious air fryer chicken. It is so delicious. Remember to click the like button, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're new here, welcome to Megshaw's Kitchen. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So, let's get started. To begin, I'm going to bring to a blend some very simple ingredients, which is coriander. Remember to blend this with all of the stock included. Yes, that brings so much flavor to this rice dish. I'm also going to be adding some onion. Then I'm also going to add a good amount of ginger. Some fresh ginger would do. I'm also adding some green chilies. And then I'm going to simply bring this to a blend. Now remember, as with all food and recipes available out there, remember to adjust your ingredients depending on how much quantity of rice you want to make. Now to this blend, I'm adding some cloves, also adding a handful of fennel, about half a teaspoon, and a little bit of some cumin as well. I'm going to cover this and blend it one more time to make sure all that lovely spices is nicely blended into this. I'm going to leave you to enjoy the rest of the video, and then I'll catch up with you later. Just take a look at this absolutely delicious and flavor-packed coriander rice. I hope you thoroughly enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you can try this out sometime soon. Thank you all so much for watching and for cooking along with me today. Remember to click the like button, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're visiting us for the first time or if you've been watching without subscribing, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again next time with another video. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Goodbye.